Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, the progress on Amon's extension to a new bar is really quite quick. I'm very surprised how fast these guys are working. The previous video I filmed on the 5th of August, and then I've done the next one I've done on the 8th, and then I've done it on the 11th, and then on the 13th. And I'm going to show you all of those, the 8th, the 11th and the 13th right now. I've just put them together, and then you can see the progress now in this video. You can see the progress through all those days. So where it's on the left side, here it is, just coming up now, and we'll just have a look at what's happened now. The other thing is, let me just wait 1 second. Making a lot of noise. They break already. Yeah.
Here have many concrete same.
Yeah.
Not same.
Really? Go have a look. Okay. So this was filmed on the 8th. And what I'm going to show you right now is 20 seconds of the movie I did on the video on the 5th. Now this is Friday the 5th. This is what it was like. And it was all massage cubicles, and look at the ceiling. The ceiling is like a sort of ornate ceiling with different lights in and everything. Now you won't believe what they've done in 3 days. So I'm just going to show you this to the back, and then we'll jump forward to the 8th of August. Now this is the 8th of August, and look what they've done. They've ripped everything out, everything, and the ceiling, and they've put a false ceiling in, which obviously they're going to put boarding on and everything. But look at this. Look what they've done. Incredible, eh? And that was where the shower was. That's gone. And this guy's taking down unnecessary pillars which they don't need. Very noisy, actually. So I'll just take you upstairs, and I'll show you what they're doing upstairs as well, because some of the guest rooms, one of them in particular, the one at the front, they're working on that to get that one serviceable. So we'll just go up and have a quick look upstairs. But this has taken, what, 3 days? It's incredible, can you believe that? And you'll see in the rest of the video how much they do to the 11th. Okay, สุขภูมิ
ไม่สกปรกสะอาดแล้วไอทำแล้วเห็นไหมเนี่ยสะอาดแล้วสะอาดแล้ว
So they're busy cleaning upstairs and getting it all sorted out. Now look at the ceiling and look at the walls, and then in a few seconds you'll come to the next video, and 3 days later on the 11th, and I'll show you. You won't believe the difference. You really won't believe it. But just wait while we get there. Oh yeah, Camagra. That's if you're wondering how much it is, they're asking 1,000 baht, but you can get them down to 800. That's all Amon's staff there. I just had a quick chat to Amon, and then this is now the 11th. Now look at what they've done. Can you believe that? In 3 days? Look at the ceiling. Look at the walls. I mean, the idea of painting it dark grey, matte grey, is really good because it hides any imperfections, doesn't it? And there's that was where the shower was. That's all gone. Now there's just the actual toilet itself under the stairs. That's all done. Look at it. Can you believe that? in 3 days. And the ceiling, I mean, you saw what the ceiling was like. So let's go upstairs and see what they've done to the guest room. And the other guest rooms they're working on, but this one first at the front, and then there's the one at the back, and then there's the one upstairs as well. So they're doing it bit by bit. Her staff, the cleaning ladies, are doing all this work. So here she is. I'll just show you in a second when we go back in. She's busy doing the curtains at the moment, one of them. And the other one is busy doing the bathroom, cleaning it all and everything. Just doing it bit by bit. The upper floors they can do later. She just wants to get it open, she said, as fast as possible. Just all the downstairs and maybe one guest room, and get the place sorted as fast as possible. Good, eh? Of course, the next thing is, after they've finished all the construction work, she then wants to put all bench tables in, just like she has next door. She has bench tables across, but and she has to buy those, get them fitted, and chairs and everything, high chairs and all that. They've ripped off the name. You see that pink and yellow sign? That was the relaxed Thai massage sign. They've ripped all that. So this is now the 13th, Saturday the 13th, but it's earlier in the day, so there's hardly any staff and no customers. And look at the concrete, the cement. See, what they've done is they've raised this section, because if you look to the left side, Amon's front of Amon's bar, it's about 4 or 5, maybe 3 or 4 inches higher. So they're raising the front so it's level with the bar next door. So this is Saturday the 13th. Look at all the fans are in. I mean, obviously the cables are still hanging. That needs all sorting, but all the fans are in now. I don't know if she's going to put. I don't think she has TV screens in, does she? But look, that's all cleaned and done. Even got a little plant there now. But what a difference from the 8th, the 5th and the 8th, eh? What a difference. Now let's go upstairs and see what that guest room looks like now, because I think they've finished it. I think it's now serviceable, available for guests, I believe. So we'll go have a look. How about that? Now that's adequate. Nothing wrong with that. It's even got a wardrobe, and it's got air conditioning, it's got a fan, it's got a little side table and what have you. Nothing wrong with that, is there? That's quite serviceable, quite usable. See, AC unit there, and a big fan there. And let's have a look in the bathroom, because she was busy cleaning all that. If I can find the light switch. I'm looking for it, can't find it. Oh, there we go. See, nothing wrong with that. That's fine. A little bit Isan-ish, but adequate. There is a shower there next to that, next to the bath. Fine, absolutely fine. All you need. There you go. What do you think? I asked her when she thought it would be, and she was hoping to be open in a week, which from now, which is certainly possible. Of course, one of the advantages of it being an extension is that she doesn't need to build a bar area or have fridges, extra fridges. Maybe she needs one extra fridge, but I mean, all she can have in there is just tables and chairs. Doesn't need anything else. It's so much easier, isn't it? Hi, Amon bar t-shirt. Yeah, she got some t-shirts made, and they do have to wear t-shirts on certain days, 2 days a week. So tell me what you think. I think it's brilliant. I think those guys have done so well. Anyway, please subscribe and like and share and ring the bell. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.